Hi, it's Ms. Todoric, and in this lesson we're going to edit a student flyer. So this is one flyer that was submitted. We're going to review, critique, and let's make it better. So the first thing we're going to do is insert a blank page. We are going to copy what they have, Control C, keyboard shortcut, and we're going to Control V it, paste it. I do like the images, so we're going to keep that. We are going to do 50% off. So let's say we have Jordan products real large. 50% off. We're going to insert, let's do word art. 50% off. For me, when I do a flyer, I love having pictures, especially really nice pictures, large. Jordan products, I think, should be larger. So, sale, 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 sale. Definitely don't want the link. Now, I did mention you can insert the link on a logo. So let's say if this is the Nike logo, I did want the students to practice. I think this student got Control X, got a little confused. So on a logo, I wanted you to Control K it or insert the hyperlink. So we could do Control K and you could insert the hyperlink to that website. So that's just a link. That was just extra practice. The student did put the page border. We have a lot of extra borders. So a lot of times when you're doing page borders, some students by accidentally, they kind of put borders around text. So we're going to delete that. This has some style to it. We could use it. Let's see what that looks like. So it looks much better without that link. The 50% off, we can get some color. So notice how the student, they took some time when looking at it. As far as you see the blue ink, they did additional borders here. This one doesn't really make sense. I don't know if it's a year sale. So sometimes you might want to throw in the year, like 2023 to January 1st, 2024. February 19th to January 1st. Maybe it's January 1st through February 19th. This is a little off, so why don't we just put January 1st to February 19th. So that would be Control X. We can keep. They had Slum Street. We need the whole entire address. If you're going to give me the address, you might as well go ahead and let's just say Los Angeles, California. You can say Scarsdale, New York, whatever that zip code is. And I said the address can be fake. So we can center everything, Control E. So work with everything you've learned, the keyboard shortcuts. We can move this. We can definitely move the percentage. I think we should make it larger because we want to see half off. That's a good, absolutely great sale, 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 sale. All right. I'm not a fan of the bordering. If we can, we'll see what it looks like. So we can remove these borders. So to put the borders there, they went to design up to page borders. So you see the borders, we can have none. Here's the page border, we can have none, but the page border will keep. If this isn't a page border, this could possibly be a text box. And I think it looks like They didn't border the text. This is actually a text box where we can edit shape format. And what this is the shape outline. We can have no outline. So yeah, that's exactly what that is. So they outlined. You can even put like a, so we can actually keep it and make it a large thick. And that's a student interrupting my lesson. She doesn't belong here. Hello. I'm not going to say no names because I'm recording. Okay, so coming back to this video, so sorry about that. Sometimes I leave the door open so you get a lot of students stopping in. They get passes out. A few distractions, but here we go. So we're going to make this title. I would like to see it in a large, too large font. Let's say 43. Okay, we can do that. We can cut. Let's see what that looks like. Give it some style. All right, we're going to make this super large only because I really like that picture. Now, if you have the picture and you see, we could probably crop it. So this is kind of hard to work with. So what we can do is make that picture large. We can crop it. That way it's a little bit easier to work with. This picture here, did they wrap it? Yeah, they sure did wrap it, which is good. We could put this behind. We can also picture it. We can bring it to the bring to front. We'll see where we put that. But I really do like. We're gonna play with colors. Too big. Let's go with this same red. Control E. Oh wait, Control E. Center. Let's see what that looks like. Too much of an angle. Go work with that. Okay, we can use the arrows. All right, I feel like we should make this J much larger than the rest and put it in a red color. All right, we're going to play around. See if we can make that slightly larger, but not too large. And also in the red, drop this down to like 72. 63. This could be 63 as well. 40. Too small. 40, 43. 41. Okay, turn in front. You can have it look like it's kicking. Give it some style, maybe too much of a 50% off. There's a slight blue outline. It gives it style. I think I like that. 50% off. We put the entire address. We could have the name of the place if it's just like a store, Jordan Products Incorporated. Up here, another sale, sale, sale. We can even do, So it's really taking your time, playing around with the different images, using the entire page, top to bottom, visually appealing. So you see some color, matching the colors. You see, so that is good. I would add just the name of this place. So if it's called Jordan Products, we can put that there. Make that a little sale, sale, sale. It's kind of lining this up. See, when you work with these borders, it's important to, the right, the left, the margins, especially when you print. When you start printing, then you have to really make sure these margins are perfect. Your paper, whether you print, we have like sticker paper, you can save this as an image, make it into like a business card paper. There's different types of stationery. Sometimes you'll have we have certificate paper, so we'll have like a 1-inch border around here. So keep that in mind. You can even remove the page border and print this on some nice certificate paper. All right, so this I want to move over. So we have Jordan Products half off. I love it. This picture is, for me, it's like, bam. It just brings out the flyer. My eyes go directly to that product. And it's a nice product. So if you take a look, this is the before. We removed the hyperlink. We cut down all these sale, 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 sale. We made it like 2 rows. We can even add, actually, copy. Let's see what that looks like. All right, so it's, no, I don't think I really like that. Let's see. The blue, we can even change. We haven't used this type of blue in the document. We can change the font. We can stick with the matching red. We can even bold it. Too much bold, I think. I would keep it unbolded. Yes, that's much better. That box. Gives it some style. And then we can make sure this one fits in there. We can even double. We can copy paste it. See what that looks like. Copy paste and put the same image on that size. Let's see what that looks like. So let's zoom in. So we have this flyer. I like to zoom in. Could scroll up. All right, so let's zoom out. I think that's pretty much the before and after. What do you think? Alrighty, where is it? Here we are. So we have the before, 50% off all Jordan products. So what I might have you do is work with a partner, swap each flyers out. So you edit your partner's flyer, your partner can edit yours, and then show them the work. So, and you can even tell them, hey, I thought this would be cool. I put this, I kind of matched colors. I put that 50% in some cool word art. You know, you can outline the word art, you can glow it, you can reflect it. There's a lot of formatting features in Word. So, you know, go through these. It does take time. You know, sometimes my last lesson's like 20 minutes, but you can see the effort and just getting the assignment done and just, you know, making it, you know, complete. It shows the effort that you put into it. Even it could be just the dates, the mistake like that. The more detail, the better. But then again, you don't want to have too much text on the flyer. You do want to have like the percentage, the product, and the name of the company. Or even if it's in a retail environment, you might just have the picture of the product and then half off. All right, so this is, like I said, a student submitted flyer. We'll go ahead and we'll edit another one. So that was fun. You can try editing this as well. I'll put this on our website, tcc21.biz. You can download the file, have fun, edit, make your own YouTube channel. You know, you could just edit and be creative and see what you come up with. All right, so we could change this flyer many different ways. You can copy paste this. You can even do different page borders, give it a background color, stuff like that. So I hope you had fun. Thanks for watching. All right.